Welcome back to my channel once again. Today I'm going to show you the basics of making toilet soap. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload a new video. My number will be on the screen. You can contact me for any questions or anything that is bothering you. So what's the difference between toilet soap and toilet soap and washing soap or bar soap? Toilet soap, the hydrometer reading is 1275, whilst washing soap, the hydrometer reading is 1250. You understand it if you have followed my video. I have a video on how to mix your lye solution, how to check with the hydrometer, how to bleach oils, how to use molds in your kitchen. So you see all that. So with this soap, because I used this is the hydrometer, because I used 1275 as I'm showing you in the video to make it a 1250 because it's for bathing. I use pure coconut oil, only coconut oil for this soup. And coconut oils don't taste fast. That is when you mix with your lye, it takes a longer period before it can mix well with the lye. So after that, you have to make sure that your oils and then your soda, caustic soda or lye solutions, the temperatures are almost the same. Now let's go over the ingredients. I have my coconut oil, my soda ash solution, and then my lye solution. You can omit the soda ash. This is my perfume. I later on changed it to lemon perfume. This is strawberry. I changed it. And this is my glycerin. Because it's for bathing, so I added some glycerin and then my silicate. So these are the basic ingredients I'm going to use for this soup. I also have my soap mold here and then my pan. So I first poured in my oil into the bowl and then mixed with my perfume as I did in my previous video. I've done a whole lot of video on soap, so I'll add the links in the description box below, how to do BF soap, how to do bar soap, how to use two ingredients to make soap. All of that is on this channel, so I'll just link it up. And now I'm adding my silicates to the to my oil and then stir very well. I'll make sure I stir very well for it to mix very well. If you are making soup, please don't be lazy with the stirring. It's very important. Otherwise, uh, you end up with a separate ingredient altogether. And also, I went ahead to add my glycerin to it and then stirred. Nti nda no yɛreyɛ seminar tse dɛ ma medzi nkankae no. Yɛyɛ seminar wɔ Zigua. Na ndɛ nneɛma a medze yɛɛ coconut oil, me lye solution, ɛna me soda solution no, ɛna me glycerin, ɛna me silicate. I've already added my soda ash and now I'm adding my caustic soda solution, which is lye, to the oil and then stir. Make sure you stir very well like I said. And today too, I'm going to use stick blender because coconut oil soap does not taste fast. It takes longer period before it can taste. So after mixing it, I then scooped a little bit and then mixed with some color. If you've watched my previous video, most of the time I add my color to the oil before I add my caustic soda. But today, because I'm not doing all of it the same color, I mixed it first, stirred a little bit and poured some before I went ahead to add my color to the other batch. Nti dɛm no medze me caustic soda ne me soda ice solution no medze egu me oil no mu na medze me stick blender no medze renunu mu. Adze ntsi a na me use stick blender yi dɛ coconut oil ɛgye yɛ soap a ɛyɛ a no mu no wɔmfra ntɛm. bɔna no mu no akyekyɛ oil no wɔ soro ɛna wei no caustic soda no nso wɔ fam nti na ɔwɔ dɛ ɛnsi fracture nti no ɛuse stick blender na ɔboa wo ma wo ho yɛ hard. Another thing about coconut oil is that when you use it for soap, it makes the skin very dry when you use it. So you have to increase your super fat. You can increase your super fat by 20% or less so that it will take care of the dryness of that the coconut oil will create. So in this case, what is super fat? Super fat is small percentage of oils calculated into the recipe that are excess, that are not going to be saponified by the sodium hydroxide. It gives extra free oil in the soap that help it to leave a tiny little oil on your body after washing and condition the skin further. Like I said, this is just the basis of making toilet soap. The rest will follow later. So I stick blend for about 15 minutes before it started tasting. And I realized that it was peeling a lot, so I poured it into a cup and then continue with the blending. So now it has like I said earlier, you can combine different oils and butters for toilet soap, but the best combination you can make is coconut oil and olive oil. You know, coconut oil will wash your body very well and makes it dry. It also lathers in sea, but olive oil moisturizes your skin and it's low on cleansing. But so when you combine the two, whilst one is cleaning you and making you dry, the olive oil is moisturizing and conditioning your skin. So I normally combine these two when I'm making toilet soaps. So you will see in my subsequent videos how it is done. I made two batches. One I use white color to mix it, and the other I poured some and then use yellow color to mix it. That's why you can see some is whiter than the other. So thank you all for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you need a hydrometer, I have some for sale, so you can contact me for your hydrometer. I'll just give you 2 cards and you go for it.